Money Talk with Auckland Loan Market, an expert on your side on My Time.
I think we'll still continue with what we are talking. So, Rachna, anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, so हमने वहाँ पे stop किया था कि we put all the documents forward to the bank to make sure that the property is acceptable as a security or not. Once the bank says, yeah, you're all good to go, we can help you with the pre-approval and getting it to the unconditional stage. And that's when the settlement will happen 2 or 3 weeks after you've gone unconditional. But ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि 2 or 3 weeks ही लगते हैं. Sometimes the settlement goes very next week as well. So depending on the mutual understanding between the vendor and the purchaser, but we help you through. And that's when on the settlement date, you will get the keys. So we will walk through throughout the journey of a home loan with you. That's just the brief. And what I'm going to say in tip of the week today is that please, 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 first home buyers, do not sit and calculate the interest rate कि हम इतना interest rate pay करेंगे. When I started with my first home loan, I was paying 9.75, and some of you when started paid about 14.95% on an interest rate. And what we are talking is about 5.5% interest rate in today's market. All what you have to focus, and that is the crucial tip. What you have to focus is on the capital growth of the property, which would be about 5 to 8 or 10% by end of 1 year. So focus on a bigger picture. Please do not hesitate to contact, and we will help you with getting your home loan journey started.
भाई ऐसा ही होता है जब रचना आ जाती हैं आपके लिए लोन शोन इतना आसान हो जाता है जैसे कि मार्केट में सब्जी खरीदने के लिए जा रहे हो और आप जाके ऐसे
आप कोई भी मेरे कस्टमर को कॉल करके पूछ लीजिए कि what support and the moral support that they get right throughout, and that is something, the service. Look, interest rates, home loan calculations you can do on internet these days. It's the service that matters, and that is something that differentiates you from others.
So guys, all the best to you. You know where to
Absolutely.
call. 0800 रचना भाई आपको कॉल करना है और उनसे बातें करनी है. And also you can talk to Gopal ji on 021 666 490
Absolutely.
पर.
See you all next week, and please, please, please call कीजिए over the weekend once you've seen the property that you want to put an offer on.
And she does make it a point to call you back in case she is busy on the phone. I know that part of her.
Absolutely,
Take
absolutely.
care.
Thank you so much.
Take
See you
care.
next week, guys.
Bye.